Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to the 360 Adventurer channel. So this is me on the way to Majuli from Ziro. So I got to Ziro. I rode there from Tawang. Had a great time in Tawang. It's very peaceful. A beautiful place, very scenic. Needs to be a little bit more developed. I'll make another video about that. And yeah, I met some nice people in Ziro. Ziro is it's a very nice place. It's quite scenic, you know. It's a little hill station, but unfortunately, you know, the festival. There's a music festival, India's biggest outdoor music festival, and it's called the Ziro Festival. And it didn't happen this year because of COVID. Last year because of COVID. I think it's going to happen this year, so look out for this one. I did fall. Unfortunately, I didn't have it on camera because that would have been very entertaining. My bar completely bent, and there was a lovely chap, as you can see on. Well, behind me there's a guy in that van who helped me, and then there's another wonderful guy who helped me, you know, straighten up my handlebar. Because that was really hard to ride like that. I mean, I took quite a bit of a fall. Didn't hurt myself, luckily. You know, because I got all the protection on the nut, and it was pretty much on sand. Didn't fall on the rock or anything. So I was quite lucky there. And we have this lovely chap over here. I forgot his name, and he helped me straighten the handlebars up. So, check it out. There we are, doing a little tug of war with the handlebars. My man over there, me with my humongous biceps, of course. Yeah, I wish, but anyway. So yeah, you know, yeah, really nice chap from Assam, and he was like, "Do you want to ride with me?" But you know, he was going too slow. You know, I mean, like, I'm a bit of a rough rider. That's why I fall a few times here and there. But you know, but yeah, so we managed to get the bar to something which was, you know, enough for me to ride. You know, we had to pull it quite a bit, so it's quite tough. Okay.
अभी थोड़ा देखिए तो थोड़ा सा हुआ है ले हाँ थोड़ा सा हो गया ये टूट गया कहाँ गया था आप हाँ कहाँ तक गया था जीरो हाँ अकेला हाँ मैं अकेला गुजरात से आया
So here is a nicer road on my way to Majuli, and yeah, this is where I'm coming into, basically into Assam, I think. And yeah, you know, just have a look around and enjoy the ride. I certainly did.